Dear students, in the previous session 2, we used the distance formula and showed that the 3 points A, B and C are collinear. That was method number 1. Now in this session, we will discuss the second method of showing that the 3 points given are collinear, and to show that we use the area of the triangle formula. You know that the area of the triangle, when the 3 vertices are given, is given by area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. The first point A 3 1 is taken as x1 y1. The second point B 6 4 is taken as x2 y2, and the third point C 8 6 is taken as x3 y3. Now when we find the area of the triangle, if the area of the triangle formed by the 3 vertices will be equal to 0, then we conclude that the 3 points given are collinear. And how is that argued? See the triangle ABC. The basic formula that we have studied to find the area of the triangle is half base into height. Now this triangle ABC has some base BC and the height is AD. Therefore, this being a plane figure has some area and it is finite. Now what we'll do is, this vertex A, we will push it inside along the perpendicular and imagine that point A comes here. When point A comes here, the height of the triangle reduces, the base remains the same. Therefore, the area of the triangle formed by the 3 vertices will be less than the area which we found in the previous case. And this becomes a little lesser because the height reduces. If you still further push this point A along the perpendicular towards the base, the height still reduces, and if you find the area of the triangle reduces because the height reduces and the base remains the same. If you continue pushing this point A right along the perpendicular towards the base, at some point this vertex A comes and sits on the base, say at a new point D. So the 3 points will lie in the same straight line. The other meaning is, the height of the triangle, when it becomes 0, then the 3 points A, B and C will be collinear. So you will have to remember this. If a problem is given to you or posed to you, prove that the given 3 points are collinear. You can approach that problem in 2 different ways. One is by using the distance formula. The other one is by using the formula to find the area of the triangle. write the formula, substitute the values, and if the area of the triangle becomes equal to 0, then the three vertices lie in the same straight line or they are collinear. Therefore, area of ABC will be equal to half into, instead of x1, locate what is the value of x1, that is 3, y2 is 4, minus y3 is 6, plus x2 is 6, y3 is 6, minus y1 is 1, plus x3 is 8, y1 is 1, minus y2 is 4. That gives me half into 3 is retained as it is, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, plus 6 is retained as it is, 6 minus 1 is 5, plus 8 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So I'll get that equal to half into 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6. 6 into 5 will be 30. 8 into minus 3 is minus 24. If I combine the negative values, I will get minus 6 and minus 24 will be minus 30, and this plus 30, they mutually cancel and give you 0. So I will have half into 0. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, and therefore A, B, C are collinear. So, dear students, please go through the video again, pick up your textbook, write down the problems from the exercise, start solving. Just in case you have any difficulty, you can contact me, and then we'll find out how we can solve your doubts. Please take care. Don't forget praying. Be at home. Be safe. I'll get connected with you through the next video. God bless.